Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Sony headphones to two devices. This incredible feature, known as multi-point connection, allows your headphones to be simultaneously paired with two different Bluetooth-enabled devices. Imagine listening to music on your laptop and then instantly taking a call from your phone without ever needing to manually disconnect and reconnect. It's designed for ultimate convenience and efficiency in your daily audio experience. First, ensure your specific Sony headphone model supports multi-point connection, as not all models have this capability. Once confirmed, open the Sony Headphones Connect application on your smartphone or tablet. Within the app, navigate to the System tab. Here, you will find an option labeled Connect to two devices simultaneously. Simply toggle this feature on to activate multi-point pairing for your headphones. This is the crucial first step. Now, let's pair your first device. Put your Sony headphones into pairing mode, usually by pressing and holding the power or Bluetooth button for about 7 seconds until you hear a voice prompt or see a flashing indicator light. On your primary device, such as a smartphone or computer, go to its Bluetooth settings and select your Sony headphones from the list of available devices. Once connected, confirm that audio plays correctly from this first source. Next, connect your second device. With the multi-point feature enabled, simply go to the Bluetooth settings on your second device, like a tablet or another smartphone. Select your Sony headphones from the list to pair them. You do not need to put the headphones back into pairing mode. Your headphones will automatically register both connections. Now, when you play audio on one device, it will take priority, and when you pause it, the other device can seamlessly take over.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.